If your sales team is using WhatsApp to talk to customers, but those conversations are happening outside your CRM, this video is for you. Let me show you how to bring WhatsApp fully into Bitrix24 using TimelinesAI. Head over to the Bitrix24 Marketplace and search for TimelinesAI. Click on the app and hit Install. Once installed, connect your TimelinesAI workspace, and WhatsApp shows up across your entire CRM. After connecting, you can configure exactly how the integration behaves, auto-create contacts and deals from new chats, and control how activities are logged on your CRM records. Everything is adjustable right from the settings page. From now on, every new WhatsApp message syncs automatically. Open any contact and click on the WhatsApp tab. The full conversation is right there, inside Bitrix24. Every inbound message also appears as an activity on the contact timeline, so your whole team can see what's happening at a glance, without even opening the chat. When a new WhatsApp message comes in from an unknown number, TimelinesAI automatically creates a contact and opens a deal in your pipeline. No manual work needed. To reply, simply open the chat view, pick the agent number you want to send from, type your message, and hit send. Your team never has to leave Bitrix24. That's it. TimelinesAI brings WhatsApp fully into Bitrix24. Conversations, activities, deals, and live chat, all in one place.